All right, this is a 2019 Ford F-150. It's the first pickup truck we've had in the Bowling Grove police fleet. So real quick, inside it's just a standard package as far as seats and everything goes, but it's been changed out with the center console to accommodate the radios, the lights, and the siren package. The lights on here is called a soft package. You can't see them on the roof. They're hidden behind the windshield. Kind of makes the vehicle a little more stealthy. So if we step inside, this is our computer, our terminal. We can receive our calls on. We can run the license plate, people, check for information. If you look above the rear view mirror, that's the lights that would light up when we activate it. This is our video camera that turns our body cam on at the same time when the lights are activated. Regular radio, nothing special about that. If you look inside, you can see two firearms in the middle of the seat. One has orange on it. That one is considered the less lethal, which shoots beanbags. And the other one is an AR-15 assault style rifle. So we move to the rear seat. Just a standard rear seat with a cage. Keep prisoners away from us, unable to spit on us or anything like that. More lights hidden behind the windshield, part of the soft package you can see on the sides. Drop the tailgate. A toolbox in here that's filled with equipment that we use. Flares, evidence packaging, fire extinguisher, caution tape, rope, pull somebody out of the river if need be, life preserver. This side, you have an oxygen tank, emergency blankets, snare to catch animals with, and this little window tool that unlocks cars. There's some spikes in there in case there's a pursuit. We can throw spikes down to spike the tires. Come around the sides. More lights hidden underneath the mirror, the red and blue is part of the soft package. Come to the front. And the rest of the lights are hiding in the grill. Pull up behind people that don't really know it's a police car. Other than that,